today's video where we're looking at Squeeze Me, a pack of 4 plastic clamps. Not camps, but clamps. So let's have a look at what these are like. I remember originally you used to get a pack of 8 jumbo clamps. They were about 5 times this size. Then they went down to 4, then they went down to 2, and now you can't even get them. All I have is these tiny little clamps that ain't much good for much. So they're still tight. That's not a good start, is it? It's already come out. That isn't a good start. Ah well, we'll see if we can get that pushed back in. It's not a very good start for them, is it? First thing to do is that they fall out. I think they're probably all like that. They haven't been screwed in by the looks of it. Yeah, that isn't a good start, is it? So those come off dead easy. It's got the grips on there, but they're not very grippy by the looks of it. I'll be using these for green screen to keep the top. To keep it stretched out. But they're pretty enough to be. They're not very good, are they? They do though. Let's see if we can get these to stick on something without them falling apart. I wonder if they'll be able to hold that because of the way it's like. Yeah, they hold. See if it hold it when it finally move. Yeah, it's all for a while. Okay, I suppose, nothing special. And if you enjoyed that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.